Hey everyone, welcome back to Your Cryptosphere. Today, we're diving into a topic that's shaking up the financial world: decentralized finance, or DeFi. If you've ever wondered how blockchain technology is transforming the way we think about money, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is DeFi? In simple terms, it's a movement that aims to recreate and improve upon traditional financial systems, like banks and exchanges, using blockchain technology. Imagine a world where you can lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest on your assets without the need for a middleman. That's the power of DeFi. Now, let's talk about some of the key benefits of DeFi. First up, accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can participate, regardless of their location or financial status. Next, we have transparency. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, making them publicly verifiable. And let's not forget about control. You have full ownership of your assets, unlike traditional banks where they hold your funds. There are several exciting DeFi projects out there. For instance, Uniswap allows you to trade cryptocurrencies directly from your wallet, while Aave lets you lend and borrow assets with ease. And then there's Compound, which enables you to earn interest on your crypto holdings. The possibilities are endless. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. DeFi comes with its own set of risks, including smart contract vulnerabilities and market volatility. It's crucial to do your research and understand what you're getting into before diving in. As we wrap up our exploration of decentralized finance, it's clear that DeFi represents a transformative shift in the financial landscape. By leveraging blockchain technology, DeFi eliminates intermediaries, enhances transparency, and provides unprecedented access to financial services for individuals around the globe. We've seen how DeFi platforms empower users to lend, borrow, and trade assets in a more efficient and cost-effective manner. However, it's essential to remain aware of the challenges that come with this innovation, including security risks and regulatory considerations. In conclusion, decentralized finance is not just a trend, it's a movement towards a more inclusive and democratized financial system. As we continue to navigate this evolving space, staying informed and adaptable will be key to harnessing the full potential of DeFi. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I encourage you to explore the opportunities that decentralized finance has to offer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this deep dive into decentralized finance insightful and informative. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on the latest trends in finance and technology. I'd love to hear your thoughts on DeFi. What aspects are you most excited about, or do you have any questions?